What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Hartville Makes. It's me, Josh. This is my good friend, Mr. Hackfeld.
Hello.
And today we're going to be turning one of these into one of these. So stick around, stay tuned, let's have some fun, and yep. Alright, project update. Now that we've got it all marked out, ready to go, we're going to take this angle iron.
Angle grinder?
Grinder. This thing. And get it all cut out. So, safety first, then teamwork. Let's go! Meow! So Brandon actually has a bench grinder that'd be perfect for this, but we're setting this up so to show you guys that you could do it too. However, don't recommend it because it's not. Remember, don't try this at home. We're what you call amateur professionals. That was wild.
Whoa, where'd it go?
I don't know, I heard it fling off somewhere.
I could just imagine that thing sticking in my gut. That's why I turned it off and got out.
Dude,
Okay,
that thing was going. Ladies and gentlemen, clamp your work. So update, knife, danger, wow, flew off somewhere, and we're looking for it. Wait. We found it. This time we're gonna clamp it down. Much less violent. Alrighty, so we recovered the knife, we got it drilled. Right now we're working out the handle. We chose to use plywood because all the different layers, once it's sanded down and rounded over and shaped, it's gonna look really, really cool. So, yep, and here we go. jump and karate with a sharp knife in my hand. Well, I want to thank Brandon very much. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
You're amazing.
And again, pardon the messy shop and all the drops.
No judgment here on Harville Makes. So, love this thing. I'm really excited to use it. I've wanted one of these for a long time, and the fact that I got to make it with a friend just makes it that much cooler. So, look forward to using it, and look for Brandon's channel. He's going to be starting one. He's got some cool projects to bring you guys. Talking about like go-kart stuff, or you got an old Camaro in there you want to restore. Tons of really cool stuff, so definitely keep an eye out for his channel. We'd love to do some collaborations. You guys be blessed, be good people, and peace out.